Hi, YouTubers. A brief video showing the Jiusion digital microscope. $20 on Amazon plus postage. I got it in 3 days, and it is not junk. It's very efficient. I use it with my paints at school. I'm a chemistry professor, and I work with paint formulations. There's an image I captured with Mac photo booth. I had this hooked up. The driver was in it. 30 seconds I had it hooked up, and it works nice. 40 to 1,000 magnification, and it can work with PC. It can work with Android. I use it, as I said, with Mac. I'll be posting some additional images. That's an impasto technique of painting with a new paint formulation, so I can study it while drying. I'll post more. Thanks for watching. Bye.